Good morning. Day in the life of a porter in New York City. Recently, you guys may see that 32BJ, the union in New York City in residential and commercial buildings, mostly residential units, were going to go on strike and reach a tentative agreement for the supers, the porters, front desk guys, doormen to get what they rightfully deserve. Better health care, better pension, a raise. Well, we are non-union porters, supers, doormans in some of the buildings in New York City. And we do the same work, and we also work for minimum wage. So yeah, we're a little bit envious of the guys, but that's not their problem. That's a personal issue that we got to take upon ourselves to do. So this video is going to be about a minimum paid porter in the building. Now, I don't know how much these union guys make, but I tell you, it's a lot more than $17 an hour. So this is our compactor. If we want, we could turn it on and put it on inside a bag. But for us, sometimes it's easier just to go through the garbage like this. It's not a whole lot. You could see it's not a whole lot. The heavy stuff on top, I'll take it out by hand. And this is what we do, and then we pick through the recycle as best as we can. Put them in blue bags, like the bottles and stuff, blue bags. And then the rest, I'm gonna run it through the machine, let it come out on the bottom. You guys could also take a look at that. You just fire up the compactor here. For some reason it's not turning on. Let me see what's going on my compactor. A little snag there. Don't want to come on this morning. It's not powering on, so we definitely have an issue going on with it. Let's see if I can figure it out. Nothing. I gotta do a little bit of a troubleshooting here because it's stuck in the back. It's not moving back and forth. Let me go grab some tools and see if I could figure it out. It's my corridor. It's my recycle area. Yep, so you may hear guys complain of working for minimum wage, but as again I said, it's a personal choice for us, and we do what we had to do. But I'm glad they came to a tentative agreement, and the guys are happy. But for us, it's a little bit different. Let me see if I could get this compactor going. Take some garbage and show you guys how the compactor works. Give it a go one more time. It's stuck. started to go. Alright, look like we're gonna have to use it manually with the buttons over there. Because the main switch looks like it's broken. This part could take some more. And you just tie it up like this. Throw it in the bins to take out. A regular garbage power villain goes out Thursdays and Sunday afternoons. Cardboard goes in this bag. Well, most cardboard. We don't get every single piece of cardboard, but as much as we can. And then the small pieces we let the compactor, let it compact inside the compactor. But the bigger pieces we take it by hand. I'm gonna try to get a shot at the compactor running. Okay, it's broken. So we're gonna have to do it all by hand. Let's go do some recycle. Six. Get something to prop the door. All right. Start removing the boxes. That day until we break it down. More cardboard here. Yep, this is how the day starts. It's Monday morning. And it's busy Monday morning. After this, we're gonna go up, vacuum the floors, mop the lobby, clean the elevators. Take care of the building, mop downstairs here, clean the gym. iPhone. Ooh, got lucky. Let's see if there's anything inside the box. Nah, it's an empty box. Got fooled. Hi, guy.
Oh, hello.
How are you? Champion Classic model kit. Oh, this is pretty cool. Of course, the box is empty. Can't get that lucky, right? It's all recycle. Keep in mind a little bit later on, we do collect these. They're 5 cents each. So we go through that later on and separate, take out all the cans and bottles. Every can and bottle that is recyclable, it's money. It's lunch money. So besides the $17 an hour, like $20, $30, some of them a little more every week for lunch. So as I say, as the old saying goes, beggars can't be choosers. Be grateful. Try and motivate yourself. Learn new things is the key to getting out of whatever job that you are in and want to move on and move up. And same could be said for life. In order to move up and make more money, you got to learn new things, new skills. Like me personally, I'm trying to get into the exterminating business. Getting certified as an exterminator so I can make more money doing the exterminating job, because I deal with rodents here all the time. Every building you go to has rodents, so nothing you could get away from. It's a great business, so that's what I'm trying to break into to make more money, is the exterminating business. So I could become an exterminator, work for someone for a while, learn more, get more certifications, and maybe one day have my own exterminating company. Doesn't make sense to complain about a minimum wage job and not do anything about it. You gotta figure out how to get out of the minimum wage situation. And the only way you're going to do that is by these bags. They bought a little bit too small for these cats. It's a little bit too small. We'll make it work. This one is also too small. Yeah, as I was saying before, sorry about that. Does not make any sense complaining about minimum wage job. The only way to get out of it is learn a new skill. Learn a new skill. You're going to make more money. You're going to progress in life. You're going to move up. As I say, you could even become a business owner, especially in the trades, you know. People don't see exterminated to be in the trades, but in my opinion, it is, you know. It's same as you being an electrician or a plumber, a mason, name it. HVAC technician, heavy crane operators, painters, roofers. You know, once you get yourself in an industry where you could learn and make more money and add some value to yourself, add some value to your life, so you'll be better off taking care of your family and your friends and everybody around you. This is the day of a porter. Again, what we do, taking care of our tenants. Just wanted to give you guys a little insight into living in one of the wealthiest cities in the world and doing a minimum hour a job, minimum wage job in New York City as a porter, non-union. Union pay more, guys get benefits, good medical, you know. We don't have any of that here. You just get your flat $17 an hour. Nothing more, nothing less. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I'm gonna go upstairs and mop. I'm gonna mop this area here, clean up. I'm not gonna show you any of that and bore you guys and waste your time with that. But thank you, and as usual, have a good day.